Now this is a T850 out of the SRT-4 Neon. This is a video that I wanted to show you guys, but I just didn't have the time because of the fact that I was trying to do all the work by myself, especially trying to install the gear set. Where this cap actually comes off. Now if you loosen this outer parameter stud kit that I offer, let me know what you guys think about the transmission in the comments below. Let me know if you love it or you hate it, or if you're gonna plan on doing this in the future, because obviously I brought you a step-by-step. You guys go ahead and remove this cap, and that's where your gear set slides into. Now I'm gonna turn this real quick just so we can look at the gear set side by side to basically how the gear set goes into the transmission. This is a built gear set, so your gear set's not going to look like this 110%, but you can see this gear back here. This slides into the LSD housing area right here. You're not going to really see it, but when we have this off, you also have to have this off. And now you can see this is the shift selector. And there's also a bolt under here for your reverse idler. Once this cap is off and you want to go ahead and slide a gear set in, zip ties is a necessity when doing this job. It's, in my opinion, I like to have this piece connected here so it actually acts like one piece. I like to slide the internals into there as much as I possibly can, and then I like to put a zip tie around this roller bearing right here just to actually help lift this gear right here up and slide into where this roller bearing slides and sits inside the transmission itself. That is something I suggest doing if you do what I did and never remove your transmission bell housing from your engine compartment. So like I said, just remove this, your gear set will come out, you know, do your work. So hopefully that has helped you. If there's any questions, please leave a comment in the comments below to help other people that are watching this video and that are having an issue struggling trying to get that back into the bell housing. Smash that like button, subscribe, stay notified guys. Be easy and stay tuned. Peace!